Hello everyone, welcome to Neetu's Home Food. Many of us find chapati making a bit difficult. Rather, we don't get perfectly soft or nice chapatis. So today I'm gonna show you how to knead a perfect chapati dough to make soft chapatis. Then why wait? Let's start. But before that, subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and turn on the notification bell for instant updates. So here are the very few ingredients that you need to make soft chapati. You need 2 cups of whole wheat flour. You can use whole wheat flour or multigrain atta or whichever atta you regularly use to make rotis in your home. Today I am using 2 cups of whole wheat flour here. You need 1 cup of water. Again, water you can adjust as per the flour. Every flour absorbs different level of water. 3 teaspoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust salt as per your taste. First add in the salt and 1 teaspoon of oil to the flour and mix it well. Don't add water now. You just mix the oil and salt well until it holds a good shape. Now add water in portions and mix well and knead. Don't add all the water at once. As I said, every flour will absorb different levels of water. So check, add little by little of water. The flour that I am using today just took in 1 cup of water exactly. So now keep kneading it for 5 minutes until it becomes into a whole ball. Here it is after 5 minutes. Now add the rest of the oil and knead it again for 5 minutes. You can get the best soft chapati by kneading the dough for longer time. The more you knead, the more softer your chapatis will turn out. So go ahead and knead it for another 5 minutes. Use those muscles and knead it for 5 minutes. So here it is, totally kneading after 10 minutes. Look how soft and glutinous the dough is. This is how it should be. Now cover it and rest it for 30 minutes and then you can make chapatis. Resting the dough is equally important as kneading the dough. So make sure you give your dough at least 10 to 15 minutes before you start making chapatis. Now here it is after 30 minutes of resting. Take a lemon-sized ball. Look at it, how soft the dough is. Take a lemon-sized ball, dust it with dry flour and roll it into thin chapatis. Make sure you roll it evenly around. The edges should also be thin. Don't mind if you don't get it in a perfect circle shape, you'll get it by practice. This thickness should be surely enough. Now heat the pan and you can start cooking. The pan should be very hot. It shouldn't be mild or medium hot. The more hot the pan is, you'll get good chapatis. Apply very little oil if needed or cook it with no oil. Look at it, how soft it is. Flip it over and cook it on both sides evenly. There it is. Just follow these simple steps to ensure you get a perfectly soft chapati. You can enjoy it with your favorite gravy. Leave a comment below if you have any other tips on making soft chapatis or send me an email at neetushf@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.